What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So as you can see, I think, yeah, as you can see, here's my toolbox, and you're looking at my exhaust, and you can't see it because it's horribly dirty, but maybe you can. A little bit of the color. I don't really want to. That's a better representation of the green that that bike is. And as you can tell, I have not worked on it for a long time because I have lost I don't want to say interest. I have lost motivation for you. But that's not what today's about. Today's about stickers. I've got a bunch of stickers from like things, obviously companies that I like. AGV, the helmet that I wear, SE Project, the exhaust I like, another little AGV one, LZ MFG, and then Moto Hero, which I don't know if I ever posted a video of this. I don't know, but I won on Instagram. I won my little welding magnet a backpack from them, an Alpine Stars backpack, which I think I have a video coming out for at some point. But at the point, this obviously is about 3 or 4 years old since I got it. The AGV stuff's about 2 years old. Motor Hero's new. And then these ones, which are, I think, even older. I think they're like 4 or 5 years old, maybe, now. If you don't know who Brittany Wynn is, look her up on Instagram. That's her thing. I don't remember why. I think she made some stickers or something, and she was just sending them out to people. They're just like sent them to people. So these are like old school stickers, but super cool. And I figured my little toolbox is very empty. There's nothing on it. Like, it's just what it is. So I figured I have these stickers laying around, and I might as well use them. So yeah. Now I look like an idiot and I can't take the sticker apart. Help me, someone! Oh God! It's probably been stuck on its backing for so long. It's just like, this is where I shall be forever. I will never be used. But I have tools for this. This is kind of stupid, isn't it? I'm using tools to take a sticker off, but they're smaller than my fingers. Yeah, look at that. See, it's not stupid. It works. It's only stupid if it doesn't work. But anyways, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How are you? How is your family and everyone? So we're just gonna put some stickers on my little box, because why the hell not? So if you have any stickers, if you are a moto blogger, if you make stickers for someone or whatever, if you have some stickers, I've got 3 sides I can do. One side, the back, and obviously you can't really do, I could do, like, if you do little ones, I can do these, but I just want to, while I'm doing this, I might as well talk to you all and see how's it going, how you doing, how's this whole, pandemic, I know I can actually say that word, just, I'm being stupid, pandemic going for you. Oh, there's something written on the back of that. Ha, that's funny. Gloves, latex gloves, towels, WD-40, masking tape, labels. I was using this as a note for what I needed to buy. And again, since I'm assuming I have to say this because it shows like logos and something like that, this is not like sponsored by anyone here. Like, SE Project does not sponsor me. Cough, hint, hint. They should. No, I just really like the exhaust. But I figured I'd just talk to you, make a little video while I have the time, while I'm doing nothing. Sorry if you can hear the humidifier in the background. It's kind of just, it's a thing. It's gonna happen. I think we're gonna go that way with that one. I don't really want to keep these, like, I don't know how you want to say it. Ooh, this is a funky looking guy, isn't it? But yeah, if you make stickers and you want to, either, wonder if I was supposed to, yeah. Woo! Oh God, it's pulling off itself. If you make stickers and you want to make me some stickers, that'd be cool. Or if you have, again, if you're a moto blogger and you just want, you want to send me your sticker that you made of yourself, that'd be cool. I'm I'm all for putting other people's stuff on things and showing it off. So I think that we're gonna stick right there, just like a so. Oh, son of a bitch! I done did screw it up. This is why I can never be a rapper. W-R-A-P-P-E-R, if you know. Also, I can't be a rapper because I'm very, very white, as you can tell. I am Casper the Ghost. It's all dirty. Don't mind the dirtiness of it. It's a toolbox, man. It's supposed to be what it is. I don't know if I want to keep the little one. I think I'm going to keep the little guy, the little AGV sticker, for something else because it's tiny and kind of cute. It's kind of a cute little sticker. But yeah, you know, how's it going? How are your projects going? Because they're obviously going better than mine, as you can tell. It's kind of in the very sad shape of just ripped apart and whatever. But you know, if you've got a project bike, how's it going? Do you plan on buying one? I was really hoping to have that done way earlier this year, so I could get another one for this winter, but we haven't gotten there yet. So that's not finished, and the daily bike is costing a lot more this year than I was really hoping it was going to cost. You know, new set of tires, new clutch basket, new clutch plates, all kinds of bad. If you haven't watched that video, I will card that one up here in the corner, whatever corner it is, for what happened to that little fiasco that's going on right now. Yeah, how's it going? You know, tell me in the comments anything fun you're doing. What's going on? Ooh, I wonder, do these come off afterwards? I think I'm supposed to take that. Yeah, I am, aren't I? The top isn't supposed to stay on, I don't believe. I believe I'm supposed to peel that off. I think they're just, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Woo, I'm a smart boy. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Oh. Oh, that's so satisfying. I get to do it for this one too. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. It is. It's funny, like, I mean, obviously I got these when I bought the bike. These came when I bought the helmet. This came when I bought a mask from them, because I figure if I'm gonna have to wear a mask all the time, I might as well wear a mask from somebody I like, you know, or like a YouTuber or somebody that I follow. Might as well give money to somebody like that. This, I don't even remember. It was something on, like, I think she just posted on Instagram like years ago if anybody wanted stickers, and I was like, well, that's self-explanatory. Yes. I mean that's a cool picture in general, and this is a cool little, like, you know, little artsy thing. It's, hey, look, and it's AGV related. Hey. Oh, this is gonna be satisfying too. Ooh boy, let's see if I can do this without peeling the corners off or anything. I bet you that right there is gonna come off though, because that still has some paper on the back of it. This is so satisfying. I really hope, you know, it's one of those things that, like, when you get something that's like has plastic over a screen, like a TV or something, you get to peel it off. Just super satisfying. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Oh, see, told you. I told you. And I've got to be able to keep that down, because that's the E. Back to my tools. I just need something little. I really need like a... There we go. I don't think it's going to stay in general, because it does have paper on the back still. So we're just going to have to... Oh, it's so satisfying. Ah, yes. Yeah. Got a little special E right there at the moment. It's just because it's got paper on the back. I didn't peel that off all the way. Which that's going to suck, because I'm never going to get that off. You know what? Sorry, Moto Hero. I love you. I love you for sending me a backpack, but I'm never gonna get the paper off the back of this thing. So we might just have to live with that. I kind of like it. It's kind of weird, but yeah, just imagine it with that little thing right there. Bloop. Yeah, you know, that's just not gonna stay. I really like that one. I think that's all I've really got for stickers, though. I did that guy, I did the Motor Hero one, I did one of the Brittany Wynn ones. Again, go look her up on Instagram, BRITTAA, blah, 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 if I could speak, BRITTANYWINNN. Win. I don't know if that one's a little easier to see. Brittany Wynn. Yeah, I'm gonna save the little AGV guy because it's cute, and I'll figure out somewhere else. And I don't need to put, like, you know, I don't need 6 of these everywhere. So who knows what I'll do with those at some point. But I figured while I was out here, I might as well mumble to a camera and talk to you guys and see how's it going. You know, comment down below how you been. How's your project going again? Are you buying one? How's work going? How's your weekend? Because today is Saturday. Today's Saturday, so yeah, you know, just comment whatever you want down below. Let's have a little conversation, and I'll see you all later. Peace.